Let's start first with the AI decimation trade. What you saw is over the past couple of months, and really kind of exacerbated over the last month, is the thought that artificial intelligence is real, it's here, and it's going to start destroying a few firms, or at least really reducing the value of some of these firms going forward. And especially the first component that was hit aggressively was in the software space. So you saw a lot of the software companies really starting to see a pretty dramatic decline in their overall market value based upon the thought. I think this kind of came out when Claude had their updated outlook where they came, or excuse me, their updated release, where they came out and provided some coding capabilities that if you prompt it properly, can kind of create a custom out of the box software solution for you. I think also what you started to see was software got hit first, and then you started to see the secondary wave of people saying, okay, who else could be hurt? You saw it in commercial real estate and a couple other companies where you just saw that, okay, this is proliferating to these folks now as well. And so from our side on this, I think there's always, when you have these thematic trades, especially these negative thematic trades, is they can snowball on themselves. And clearly we're seeing that right now, and it could continue to happen for a while here. But what you also see is usually there are some opportunities because things get irrational. I think artificial intelligence could have a negative influence on software companies. Absolutely. It's those companies that don't innovate or utilize artificial intelligence to make them more valuable that are susceptible to being the next Kodaks of the world, right? The issue that I have is that right now we're treating all software as the next Kodak, and I really have a hard time with that. So in my opinion, I think there's some opportunities to take advantage of within there. If you can be patient, understand that this negative thought in the artificial intelligence isn't going away. So the negative sentiment around it could last a little while. But I really think at these points, there's some interesting valuations and there's some interesting companies that I think could innovate to actually become beneficiaries of artificial intelligence while still maintaining some of those software margins that we've seen in the past.